Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. This is a long time coming. I'm building my little post and beam cabin here. Did some updates. I've been busy building and not busy filming. So I just finished this little porch on the front side of the house. Put some pressure treated stairs. This is going to be in the elements. So we got the pressure treated stairs. We've got all the joist tape on there, so hopefully everything is going to last. Not cheap when you do all pressure treated and joist tape. About $1,000 just for materials for this front step. So I was able to pour a nice pad at the front to give it a good solid platform. And really happy with this is probably the biggest concrete pour that I did. And super happy the way it turned out, so we don't have to worry about these stairs sagging over the years. So just finished this. We've got a little overhang above the front, and the front porch sticks out about 6 feet, which is nice. And then we've got the 6x10 beam. And then we've got 3x7s attached, and then we've got fir, just a multiple of sizes, some 4s and 8s and even some 9s in there, just whatever I had left, but they're all 1 inch. You can see there. This is the joint system that I did here. So the actual beam is a 5x10. And the posts are 6x10, and then a 1 inch notch just to hold it in place nicely, and then screwed on the back side. I really like that way of putting up the post and the beams, especially for the decking. Especially I'm working by myself, so it holds it on there nicely when I'm lifting this up with the tractor. So pretty sweet. We got a temporary wood shelter here just for this winter. I am going to make a wood shelter right here. This is an area that we don't really use, so we're going to have a wood shelter here, and then a little walkway, and then we'll make it the matching roof system with this, and then put some tin roof on it, so we have wood close to the home, easy access, so you don't have to put on a jacket to go get it. So we'll just have a quick walkthrough, and I'll show you what's going on inside, guys. All right. Obviously, we're still under construction. We still have stairs going up to the top. And we've got the trusty old futon in here. And the whole back deck has been fully stained. We got the glass railing put in, which I am super happy with. It's just great for the view, because when you're inside sitting on the soon-to-be couch, you don't have an obstructed view. You can see right out there, and there's no railing on top. So that was one of the reasons why we went with the glass without the top, which is awesome. So we've got a burn going on. It's just turning into fall now, so we're getting this cabin nice and toasty. It is actually quite impressive how it holds the heat, even though it's not insulated yet. So this is a evolved stone rock wall that I ended up doing, and super excited about the way that turned out as well. So we've got the kitchen here. We got the bathroom framed in, as well as we've got a pantry framed in as well. Take you guys upstairs, do a quick little look-see. All right, we got a wicked view up here. This is down. This is going to be a glass railing as well, so we can look down and then also be able to look up and see the beams and the ceiling as well. So this is a guest bedroom right here. We're going to have a queen size bed in there and a little bunk. And then this is going to be a little office with a glass railing right here. This is going to be the master bathroom, which is going to be huge, same size as the bedroom. And then we've got a little walk-in closet here. So that's it for now, guys. I really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. And sorry I haven't made a video in a long time, and sorry this one's long and drawn out, but all the best to you guys. Hope everybody had a Thanksgiving. That was great. Bye-bye for now.